Hello guys and hello everyone to today's discussion and topic. Today we're going to speak about the question. The question is, when have phones become smart? When the phones have become smartphones. So the transition from the phone to the smartphone. So let's go back to the early 2000s. In the early 2000s, the phones were only able to send messages, also to do simple tasks like calculator, having some games, simple games, and that's all. Back in 2000, uh, the game changer was with the Finnish phone uh, developer and manufacturer, which is Nokia. With Nokia, N series and E series were the first phones, along with RIM Blackberries, the first phones to include the video conference, the frontal camera for video conferencing. Also, 3G networking has helped in the progress of like video conferencing, sending MMSs, and also having some media. Also, these phones, BlackBerry and Nokia, were the first phones to be able to read videos and also to run applications. The earliest applications in the Nokia phones, or also with the RIM Blackberries, the American brand, on the other hand. But the real question that is still is, when the smartphone, I mean, when the phone, because back in 2000, even 2005, 2006, you can't use the phone, only using your phone, that you can navigate in the internet. Well, these phones, the Nokia phones and BlackBerry, were able to navigate and surf on the web, having applications like Opera and some integrated ones. But when can we use the smartphone and we don't need having the urge to use the computer? So when we were able to use the phone as a single device, or uh, as a laptop, using the phone as a well, for me the definition is when using the phone as a computer, as a laptop. This is a smartphone. Well, smartphone can watch videos, navigate web. Also, this is an additional feature because it's not necessarily included in laptops, which is video recording, taking photos, and so. But for me, the time when the phones have become smart is maybe is with Apple's iPhone. Maybe with Apple iPhone, were the first. The iPhone and Apple was the first, brand, and the first brand to introduce it. Steve Jobs introduced a very good phone back in 2008 with the 2G and the Edge version was expensive, but was ahead of its time. And the year later, with the 3G and 3GS, where with the App Store, and so we were able to play videos and also playing games. Where Apple's iPhone was a leader in playing games and having developers to develop some interesting applications, vivid and killer graphics on the application, the games. And also Samsung in the in the rivalry was introducing their Galaxy series with the Google's Android. Well, that was also a smartphone, and these two mobiles, or let's say the two operating systems, because a phone without a good operating system is not a smartphone. Well, with the like I said, the Apple with the iPhone and the iOS, and the other hand, Samsung with the Galaxy and the Android features. Also, Android has got included in other phones like the Huawei, HTC, Motorola later, and a lot of phones. Also, I forgot to mention the Windows Phone. The Windows Phone also was revolutionary was revolutionary, yes, at the time, but also enabled some good features, some features that I have spoken about, and also some other features. And the mobile phones like the Blackberries had that QWERTY or AZERTY keyboard, full keyboard, but it's not used anymore. Today's standards, and in today's standards we're using just the touch screen that is included in the iPhone and the Samsung Galaxies. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next video.